Hello beautiful friends, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to make this juicy and delicious lemon crusted chicken thighs recipe. This recipe is full of flavor, it's quick and easy to make, so we are going to jump right in to make this delicious lemon crusted chicken thighs recipe. So to get started, we're going to pat our chicken dry with a piece of paper towel just like that. Next we're going to get a small bowl. We're going to add 1 lemon juice into the bowl, and then we're going to continue with this juicy and delicious lemon crusted chicken thighs recipe. To continue with this lemon crusted chicken thighs recipe, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the bowl just like that. Then we're going to go right in with our seasoning. So we're going to add our onion powder, next we're going to go in with our flavorful Italian seasoning. We're going to add our paprika seasoning to add lots of flavor to this lemon crusted chicken thighs recipe. Next we're going to add our creole seasoning, about a teaspoon of creole seasoning. We're going to go in with our ground black pepper. Next we're going to add some garlic powder. Now we're going to add half a cup of breadcrumbs, and then we're going to mix to combine all the ingredients. Now we're going to go in with 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil just to loosen the seasoning a little bit. It's very thick. Now is the perfect time to add 2 tablespoons of chicken broth. Now we are going to go in with this flavorful seasoning. We're going to add the seasoning all over our chicken thighs. Now we are going to go in and add a teaspoon of garlic powder onto the chicken, just like that. We're also going to add a teaspoon of paprika seasoning. As you guys can see, the chicken is not fully seasoned. Now we're going to add a teaspoon of ground black pepper. Now we're going to rub the seasoning all over the chicken thighs. Make sure it's nice and fully coated into the seasoning. And that looks absolutely beautiful, guys. Do you see those beautiful chicken thighs? I'm going to show you guys the final results of these seasoned beautiful chicken thighs. I am going to go in with just a teaspoon more of the Creole seasoning, guys. Once the chicken thighs are fully seasoned, this is the result. This is what your chicken thighs should look like once it's fully seasoned. The seasoning should spread out. It should have that nice brown color. We're going to set this chicken to bake, and then I'm going to show you guys the final results of this lemon crusted chicken thighs recipe. So it's juicy lemon crusted chicken thighs recipe. And this is the final results, guys. It came out so beautiful. Look at those chicken thighs. It's nice and brown. It was flavorful. The seasoning was just perfect. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you do, please like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you beautiful people in my next video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Take care. Bye, guys.